In this video, we'll take you through the complete installation process of the Konica Minolta BizHub 367. From unloading the machine to final testing, you'll see how our professional team ensures a smooth, safe, and efficient setup for our customers. Our process begins with carefully unloading the BizHub 367 from the transport vehicle. Every step is handled with proper tools and care to avoid damage during shifting. The BizHub series is built with precision components, so safe unloading is the very first step toward a reliable installation. After unloading, the protective wrapping and safety covers are removed. Each part of the machine is inspected thoroughly. Our engineer checks that all accessories, including paper trays, toner, and cables, are available. This ensures the customer receives a complete and ready-to-use system. At VD International, we don't just provide the machine, we also offer our specially designed multi-purpose trolley. This trolley is built for strength and convenience. Not only does it hold the BizHub 367 securely in place, but it also comes with additional storage space. Customers can use the space to store extra paper, supplies, or even office essentials, keeping everything neat and easily accessible. Once the trolley and machine are ready, the unit is positioned at the customer's chosen location. Our engineer ensures that the machine stands stable, with proper spacing for ventilation. Correct placement helps in long-term performance and hassle-free operation. Before powering on the device, earthing is completed. This step is extremely important for the safety of both the customer and the machine. Proper earthing protects the BizHub 367 from electrical fluctuations, reduces the risk of short circuits, and ensures smooth, uninterrupted operation in the long run. Once the outer packaging is removed, the engineer examines the inside of the machine. Each internal section is checked, rollers and trays are inspected, and panels are opened to confirm that all components are correctly fitted from the factory. This step prevents issues later during operation. The next step is installing the toner. The BizHub 367 uses high-quality toner cartridges designed for sharp text and detailed graphics. Our engineer places the toner securely into the cartridge slot and locks it in position. A quick check is then performed to confirm that the toner system is ready for printing. Now the automatic document feeder, or ADF, is installed. This attachment allows fast and convenient scanning or copying of multiple pages at once. The engineer fixes the ADF on top of the machine, secures it tightly, and ensures the mechanism opens and closes smoothly. With the toner and ADF in place, the engineer carries out a final check of all parts. Paper trays are adjusted, side panels are secured, and each moving component is tested. This ensures the machine is completely assembled and ready for daily operations. At VD International, we go one step further for our customers. Every machine is provided with a unique QR code. By scanning this code, customers can directly contact us for service, repairs, or support. This feature makes after-sales service quicker, easier, and hassle-free. The engineer now powers on the BizHub 367. The initial setup begins with selecting the language, setting the date and time, and calibrating the display. The machine is then connected to the customer's network, and required drivers are installed on computers and laptops. This step allows printing and scanning functions to work seamlessly across the office. With everything configured, the machine is ready for its very first print. A test page is printed to check the sharpness, speed, and alignment. Duplex printing is also tested to confirm both sides of the paper are correctly handled. The scanning function is checked by running a sample document through the ADF. Finally, the customer shares their feedback. They express satisfaction with the smooth installation, the special QR code support, and the overall professional service delivered by VD International. Thank you for watching this installation process video. For more updates, tutorials, and service support, subscribe to VD International. We are always here to serve your business needs.